Hello. So actually I started a video about opportunities and I completely forgot to mention about your university. So the university itself have what is called the career center, and most likely they also have someone in your department that will probably be the careers or employability lead, and their job is to look for opportunities and give to or share with students. So I would say identify your employability lead as soon as you can, and also go to the career center. You want them to help you update your CV, your cover letter, and just tailor your experience to UK setting as best as they can. They will most likely give you formats and help you just prepare. And if you've got interview as well, if you've got interview invite, it's something that they can also help you in terms of preparing for interview. So go and assess that. You should also always check that the website as often as you can, because they always post valuable opportunities, either volunteering, internship, or even full employment on those platforms. So you want to quickly, as soon as you can, assess those. Those are the places you will jump at opportunities once you see them. Also, you want to look at your local council or local councils in general, if you don't mind moving, or maybe not moving, but like traveling one few distances away. If you don't mind moving around your location, you can also look at local councils. They usually have employment, either internship opportunities or even full-time employment, or depending on the level or stage of your study, of course. And sometimes they also have volunteering roles. In fact, most times, not some, they have volunteering roles, and those are opportunities that you can jump on to get those valuable UK experience and then expand your horizon. Right, so those are the ones I wanted to add, and I will see you in another video. Thank you.